Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you a good AI tool that is better than Midjourney and, of course, free. In this video, I will introduce a generative art AI tool for Midjourney alternatives. This is a good innovation in the current AI era, and the results of the generation are not less than Midjourney. Let's review it together. First step. You can type in Google Maze Guru, then you can log in using a Google account or Discord. Here, I will use a Google account first. After successfully logging in, you will get the first 12 points and a free 200-point bonus. Step 2. Before starting to create images, you have to choose several styles, such as stable, anime, and exclusive. Each style has additional effect features that can be combined. You can also adjust the aspect ratio easily with just one click. Step 3. If you don't have any idea to create prompt text, you can use this dice feature or random inspiration. I will try anime style with martial art effect combination and set the aspect ratio as desired. Every time you make a drawing, you will be charged 3 points for one generate drawing. So that your points do not run out quickly, try to set the number of drawings sufficiently. Step 4. To find out the price of points we can see here, you can also get free points by downloading the Maze Guru application, joining Discord, inviting friends, or sharing the generated results to social media accounts. Step 5. If you log in using a Discord account, you can create an image like in Midjourney. How to type the /imagine prompt, then fill in the prompt text. In this web version, you can also find out the prompt text from an image. Type /describe, then select an image in your PC or mobile gallery, then press enter. This really helps hone your ability to create good and unique prompt text. This way you can develop it using the help of GPT Chat. Final results. Here are some examples of generating results from Maze Guru. If you like this channel, don't forget to like, comment, and share. And thank you for watching until the end. See you again in the next video.